Hello, have a pleasant Monday morning, everyone. Shout out to James Libres from Sabah, Malaysia, Rita Tanodra, and Dodong Garcia and Lynn De La Torre Garcia from Sabah, Malaysia, Lando Rojas, Danilo Solario, Roland Lapos, GR Manayon. Shout out, and also to Merlin Libre from Don Salvador Benedicto, Negros Occidental, Samuel Tabares Jr., Nini Panilag, Madam Edwina Villalon from Barangay Bunga, Don Salvador Benedicto, Negros Occidental. Hello also to Mike Pitan Albarazin, Darwin Albarazin, Apollo Darwin Albarazin, Kenshon Albarazin Bastida, May Albarazin Bastida, Princess Yumi Albarazin Bastida, shout out. And to my sister, Lodi Matutina from Davao City, Nelo Melo Matutina from Davao City, and also to Alejandro Albarazin Jr. from Cebu City, shout out. Elisa Bradley Posta, hello, shout out. And happy birthday to Michael Posta. Nag-celebrate sa iyong birthday karon. Happy birthday.